mo frida wa sensa Yahweh 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 nyami ma wa wodina Yedamasa Fiuno, when I wait to move crazy, I did not see my one da. On Robert Manson, Papa Yara, Coffee to four. Adakwa, Ibrahim Sunday, Reverend Osei Kofi, Malay Jabe, Osei Driver, I did not see my mother.
It's been a composure for me from Politic aside.
Nasia near Mam.
1, 2, 3.
Na ye rain fimo.
They've done so well.
Yadamasa, Yadamasi, 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 Yadamaso, Yadamasi, Yadamasi, Robert Messi, Papa Yara, Yadamasenso, Ibrahim Sunday, Yadamasenso, Malik, Ali Chabe, Ose Drabe, Ose Kofi.
7 games and lost 11 times. They scored 41 goals in the process and conceded 10 goals in 30 Division 1 league games. Considered 30 goals as a matter of fact, 31 goals in 30 Division 1 league games. Not even the winner in Zone 3. That's Hull United for the Porcupines.
That was admirable from the ASANTE Kotoko shot stopper.
Amwa up against Yaboa. There was a slight push, but it doesn't merit a penalty.
It was just a good save from Kamara.
Abdullah, long searching pass. He wants to find Ege, but Kamara is quick to react. Asiedu. Fans feel this should have been a foul for goal. Kick after that tackle by Sedu on Ege.
Wonder if they are playing with an extra man because they are pressing so high, they win that second balls, and that's where Kotoko are placing second. They are not really winning the second ball.
Golden kick, they've been
The ASANTE Kotoko lines, and I'm struggling to find that partnership between team and Samba working. We spoke about Samba getting himself booked.
Oswald to keep it in. Now Bentum. Goal kick. And Golden kick protest because they feel it should have been a corner.
I thought it was a corner. I thought that was a corner, but then it was Bentum just tussling over that one with Patrick Asiedu. And I believe the last touch came off the Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko left back. To allow these young boys for the shift they are putting in this evening, and I've really enjoyed how they've set up with the ball and how they've been able to beat the Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko press.
Timenu commits a foul just around the middle of the park.